Are you tired of your ChatGPT content sounding like a robot wrote it? Are you looking to add some humanity to your AI-generated text? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to humanize your ChatGPT text so that it sounds more authentic and engaging. And the best part, it only takes a few clicks. So let's get started. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can generate large amounts of text quickly and easily. But sometimes the output can sound robotic and unnatural. That's where our AI tools come in. They can help you rewrite your ChatGPT text in a way that sounds more human. In this video, we'll be exploring 4 of the best AI tools for humanizing your ChatGPT text. First, we'll look at Quillbot, a paraphrasing tool that can help you rewrite your text in different styles. Then we'll move on to Grammarly, an all-in-one writing assistant that can detect the tone of your writing and suggest improvements. After that, we'll check out WordTune, a tool that helps you find the right words to express your meaning clearly and naturally. Finally, we'll explore the potential of combining ChatGPT with AI-powered voice generators and image generation tools to create even more engaging and personalized content. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and skills to humanize your ChatGPT text and create content that sounds more authentic and engaging. The first tool in our arsenal is Quillbot, a paraphrasing tool that can help you rewrite your text in different styles. With Quillbot, you can condense and rephrase your text while preserving its meaning. It's a great way to add variety to your writing and make it more interesting to read. Quillbot also comes with a free plan, which is perfect for individuals or small businesses who are just getting started with humanizing their ChatGPT text. To use Quillbot, simply copy and paste your text into the paraphrasing tool and select the style you want to rewrite in. Quillbot will then analyze your text and suggest different ways to rewrite it. You can choose the option that best fits your needs and click the paraphrase button to see the results. Quillbot offers different plans to fit your needs. The free plan allows you to paraphrase up to 750 words per day, which is enough for most users. However, if you need to paraphrase more than that, you can upgrade to one of Quillbot's premium plans. Next up is Grammarly, an all-in-one writing assistant that can detect the tone of your writing and suggest improvements. With Grammarly, you can be sure that your writing is clear, mistake-free, and engaging. It's a great way to improve your writing skills and save time on editing and proofreading. Grammarly also comes with a free version that includes basic grammar and spelling suggestions. Plus, the Grammarly Premium plan comes with advanced features like a free VPN and a plagiarism detector. To use Grammarly, simply download the browser extension and install it on your computer. Once installed, Grammarly will analyze your writing and provide suggestions for improvement. You can choose to accept, reject, or ignore each suggestion, and the changes will be reflected in your writing. Grammarly is a versatile tool that can be used in many different contexts, including academic writing, business writing, and creative writing. Whether you're writing an essay, a blog post, or a social media caption, Grammarly can help you make your writing more clear and engaging. Our third tool is WordTune, a tool that can help you find the right words to express your meaning clearly and naturally. With WordTune, you can rewrite your text in different ways and choose the option that best fits your tone and style. It's a great way to improve the quality of your writing and make it more impactful. WordTune also has a free plan that allows you to rewrite up to 100 words per day, which is perfect for individuals or small businesses who are just getting started with humanizing their ChatGPT text. To use WordTune, simply highlight the text you want to rewrite and click the WordTune button that appears. You'll then be presented with different ways to rewrite your selected text. Choose the option that best fits your needs and click the rewrite button to see the results. WordTune is a powerful tool that can be used in many different contexts, including email writing, social media posting, and content creation. Whether you're writing a quick message or a long-form blog post, WordTune can help you find the right words to express your meaning clearly and naturally. Now that we've covered the basics of humanizing your ChatGPT text with Quillbot, Grammarly, and WordTune, it's time to take things to the next level. Let's explore some advanced techniques that can help you create even more engaging and personalized content. One way to do this is to use an AI-powered voice generator to convert your written text to realistic speech. This can be a great way to add a personal touch to your content and make it more memorable. Several AI voice generators available, including free options like 11 Labs and Natural Reads. These tools allow you to choose from a wide range of voices and accents to find the perfect fit for your content. Simply copy and paste your text into the voice generator and select the voice you want to use. The tool will then generate a realistic audio file that you can use in your content. Another advanced technique is to use an image generation tool to create visuals that accompany your ChatGPT text. This can help create a more engaging and visually compelling experience for your audience. There are several image generation tools available, including free options like Crayon and DALL-E. These tools allow you to generate images based on text descriptions. Simply enter your text description into the image generator and select the style you want to use. The tool will then generate an image that you can use in your content. Finally, don't forget to use sentiment analysis tools to gauge the emotional impact of your text. These tools can help you determine whether your writing is coming across as intended and make any necessary adjustments. Several sentiment analysis tools available, including free options like Monkey Learn and Google Cloud Natural Language API. These tools allow you to analyze your text and get a score indicating the overall sentiment. You can then use this score to make any necessary adjustments to your writing to ensure that it's having the desired effect on your audience. By using these advanced techniques, you can create more engaging and personalized content that resonates with your audience. Remember to use these tools responsibly and ethically, and always disclose when you're using AI-generated content. Now let's take a closer look at how to use these tools in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a content writer who wants to create a blog post about the benefits of humanizing your ChatGPT text. You could start by using ChatGPT to generate some ideas for the blog post. Then use Quillbot to paraphrase and condense the ideas into a clear and concise outline. Next, use Grammarly to check for grammar and spelling errors and to ensure that the tone of the writing is appropriate for the intended audience. Finally, use WordTune to find the right words to express your meaning clearly and naturally. Here's an example of how a sentence might be rewritten using WordTune. Original, using AI tools to humanize your ChatGPT text can help you create more engaging and personalized content. Paraphrased with WordTune, by incorporating AI tools, you can transform your ChatGPT text into more captivating and customized content. As you can see, the rewritten sentence flows more smoothly and naturally while still conveying the same meaning. But that's not all. You could also use an AI-powered voice generator to record a voiceover for the blog post, or even use an image generation tool to create a unique image to accompany the post. By using these tools, you can create a more engaging and memorable experience for your readers. Now let's take a look at how this process might work in a different context. Let's say you want to write a social media caption for a photo of you and your friends. You could use ChatGPT to generate some caption ideas, then use Quillbot to paraphrase and condense them into a single sentence. Next, use Grammarly to check for grammar and spelling errors, and to ensure that the tone of the caption is appropriate for the social media platform you're using. Finally, use WordTune to find the right words to express your meaning clearly and naturally. Here's an example of how a caption might be rewritten using WordTune. Original, hanging out with my friends and having a great time. We took a picture and I wanted to share it with you guys. Paraphrased with word tune, here's a picture of me and my friends having a blast. Hope you're having a great day too. As you can see, the rewritten caption is shorter, more engaging and more appropriate for a social media platform. Overall, humanizing your ChatGPT text is an essential skill for anyone looking to create more authentic and engaging content. By using the tools and techniques I've shared in this video, you can elevate your writing and create connections with your audience that are more meaningful and impactful. So what are your thoughts on the tools and techniques for humanizing your ChatGPT text that I shared in this video? Have you tried any of them before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.